Now then everybody, it's Dan from handphysique.com with another training progress video. It's the final day of cycle 4 week 2, which means it's deadlift day. Straight into it then, 130 kilos for 3 reps, followed by 150 kilos for 3 reps. Then on the 3+ set, I've got 170 kilos for 5 reps. This is the first time since I've started doing the program that I've actually felt like my lower back has had to work. And on that 5th rep of 170, I could actually feel my form breaking down, so there you go for reference.
Yeah, and I didn't do a gunshot rhythm, so I'ma let the gunshot hit him. Somebody told me this boy didn't. Just try it indirect on the rhythm. Didn't wanna do it, then I wanna try doing it. They didn't wanna do it, then I wanna try doing it. They didn't wanna do it, then I wanna try spit him. I just tell him it's the life I'm living.
Shooting stars, them MCs better writing bars. Better write like Nas. Major, hit him in the head with a bars. Big MC in a room.
Then went into the boring but big back squat. 60k for 10 reps, followed by 85 kilos for 10 reps for 4 sets. It's getting a lot more natural now. Started off with overhand pull ups. Bodyweight for 15, followed by 8 reps. 8 reps, 6, 5 and 4 reps. Just trying to get as much in as I could.
Hold up, anybody bang, and the crowd say get him. Can't be sending for play no way. Can't be sending for play no way. I will slap my out of the rave. Don't be anybody bang, and the crowd say get him. Can't be sending for play no way.
Then on to V-bar rows. 60k for 10 reps, followed by 4 sets of 75 kilos for 10 reps. Follow that up with some dumbbell rows, 25 kilos for 10 reps, and then 3 sets of 35 kilos for 12 reps. Trying to get a little bit of a different movement going on here, trying to feel a bit more in my back. I've noticed in the past that I've been using my biceps too much, so just trying to bring the weight back to my hip, get a good MMC, but as you can see it looks a little bit awkward.
Manic, duck in the leg shot, make a man know I'll be the guy with the chrome of the show. One wrong move, I'll be letting it spin. Now you don't wanna get all your boys involved, so it's best match it out all out of the back. Them and the boys say can't see the thing, no. They don't wanna see me wild out over street.
Then on to overhand lat pull downs, 40 kilos for 15 reps, followed by 3 sets of 65 kilos for 12 reps.
They can't chat to the kid, no sparks, now they ain't a match for the kid. I'm on a big man thing, they're acting the kid, I'm the father. I'll give slaps to a kid. That bad when I put them on, man, I made them shine like I gave my chaps to a kid. You just turned bad, I've been bad from a kid. School with a compass, stripped up a kid.
Finished off with an FST 7 set of straight arm lat pull downs, 22.5 kilos for 12 reps, 7 sets. Absolutely brutal.
See me when I come through solo, yo girl when I come through dolo, my gear when I come through polo, she like oh yeah.
So that's it for week 2 of cycle 4, thanks for watching. Please like, share it with friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be overhead press day. And it's the start of week 3, and it's the 1+ week. Cheers now.